Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. For that we will need the buttons for. So we will need the side button and the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see here the preview, and if you tap now on the preview, you have also the chance to edit the screenshot. You can crop here a part of the screenshot with the corners. What is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And yeah, what you can do as is you can draw something inside here with the pens here. If you don't see the pens, by the way, you can tap here and they will appear. Choose one of these pens then, and then you can draw something inside or highlight something as you want. After, you can share this edited part here, or on done you can send it to your gallery or wherever you want to save it. I want to save it to the photos. And yeah, where are the screenshots after? Of course, in my case, here are the photos. Here it is. I recommend to you, by the way, to scroll down a bit, because you will have here the point at Pin Collections Screenshots, because an own folder for your screenshots is much better for the overview. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.